Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Moscow, and today is the next comparison video, knockoff version versus real version. And today we'll watch on Private Neca Frost figure by Neca, series 9. I start this review from the knockoff version, just because I do not have an original figure in blister. Mine came without the package, second hand. And the only thing I wanted to show you is the back of the blister. This is a knockoff version, so you have to look on the number. When I bought this figure, I thought that if it has a number, then it is an original, and I was wrong. If you see such type of font, these rounded numbers, figures, be sure you have a bootleg version, and you can check all your figures with numbers. And if you see such font, you can pass the figure away. For example, I have the blister with the Vasquez figure, an original, and it has the same design as it is from the same series 9. And you can see how the original font looks like. You see how the figures are very sharp comparing to the bootleg version, or I believe it is a fake version. Rounded numbers, sharp numbers. If you have such type of numbers, then your figure is okay. And also, as always, the blister on a knockoff version is very fragile. The inside picture is damaged too. Okay, let's move on. By the way, the inside tray has blister protection on the knockoff version. Here are these numbers. And also the figure was packed with these black tires, which are very firm. So let's move on. Okay, can you guess which is real or which is a knockoff version? 1, 2, 3. Okay, right is real, left is a knockoff version. Let's start from the accessories. Let's pick up helmets and watch it more closely. As you can see, they have a very much difference in painting. Always if I see this point on this rim, I understand that it is a real version. As you can see on the fake version, this rim is clear. And overall, the original figure seems to be much more dirty in painting. So let's compare. Right is real, left is knockoff. This element on original is covered with varnish or something, and this is in this piece doesn't have it. Okay, definitely there is a difference in painting. More weathering on the original, more clear on the fake version. Also, the original has this ball on the tip of this hose, and the fake version doesn't have the ball. It has something like a tube. I believe this variant is from another trooper. Okay, next let's watch on this backs. The original also has varnish on this black bits. The fake version is more mattish. Okay, right is real, left is fake. Also some weathering effect on this tire, and it is clear on the real version. You can see the seam on the real version after molding, and this doesn't have it clearly because it was copied in the whole size. Okay, next is the pistol. Right is real, left is fake. As you can see, real has this tip in silver or bright white. Otherwise it is very familiar. Almost the same. Next is the lamp. As the original is second hand, this little tip was snapped off, so it is not a difference. But the original more mattish, I think, and on the fake version it is shiny. The paint is shiny here. Also, if you look closely, there is definitely a mold degradation on the fake version. The white paint is much more clear than on the fake version than on the original. It looks like a new, and this is has some time of wearance. Okay, yes, the fake version is much shinier. Next is the flamer. On the original this tip has snapped off, unfortunately, but the paint on the original is much warmer. Green is much warmer than on the fake version. As you can see, the original is more mattish and this is more brighter. Okay, right is real, left is fake. As you can see, this black paint is much more shinier. And now is the main event of the evening. Let's compare Frosties. This is a really cool character in the movie. I always hope that as he got all the armor and all shells of the troop, I thought that he will smash all the xenomorphs, but unfortunately he died very quickly. Okay, let's start from the head. Right is real, left is fake. As you can see, the pupils on the fake version are more like a cat eye, and on the real version it is painted quite good. The hair on the original has much more detail, I think. You can see hairs, and on the fake version it is much blurred. Also, if you look closely, here is the seam because of molding, and on the fake version there is no seam. This is because they copied the head hole in hole. The original has much more mesh on the face paint, and this paint is quite not natural, I think. Okay, then the prints and fonts on the original are much thicker than on the fake version, as you can see. Frost is thicker, different type of font, obviously. This piece is painted in shining black, and this piece is painted in mattish color. This little piece snapped off, unfortunately, but I will pick this from the bootleg and repair my original version. Moving down, this crotch protection area, the fake version has the mold from Windrix and Hudson figures with this additional detail, and the original doesn't have it. It is like on Hicks version. This whole piece, I believe, is from Hicks, and this is from Windrix, because here you can see stitches, and this version doesn't have it. So you can definitely watch in this place and understand that you have a bootleg or a real version. Okay. All small details in painting. The original is much more weathered, I think, or muddy, and the fake version is like a newborn or clear. Okay. Unfortunately, both figures have Neca copyright symbols, as you can see. Then let's watch on its hands. When I first got the fake version, I thought that he wears gloves, and I was wrong, because it's just the skin. It is terribly painted on the fake version, on both hands, as you can see. Bad paint, partially snapped off and gone. Okay. Dark. Right is real, left is fake. Real version has this varnish in this part, and the fake version has less varnish. Let's watch from the back. Right is real, left is fake. Very bold font. Thin font. Basically they made a very good copy. Fake has a dirty neck, and this is clear, as you can see. It is very weathered, and this is clear. Okay, so that's the main ideas which I wanted to tell you in your collecting, as a help in your collecting. What can I say? It is a very good fake version. I believe there are some original parts But here is a quite a good moment. You always can snap off some spare parts and put it on your original. And I will do it. I will snap off this little piece. I don't know what is it. Is a grenade or something else. And a little tip from this flamer. This one. Okay. Thank you for watching and happy collecting. Goodbye.